Alright, so this is the instructional video on how to install your key onto your keyboard. We're going to start by looking at the metal plates that are on the keyboard itself. You can see over here to the top left, there's a hole from a metal plate. At the bottom left, there's another hole, and then at the right side there's a large hook. So those are the hooks that are going to hold on to these parts here, and make sure to look at the different keys because they might change position. For example, the large hook, that in this case is to the right, it could be here at the bottom, to the left, or maybe even up there. So yeah, the position of those pieces determines the positions for the plastic pieces. Now that you know the position of those, we're going to click these two pieces together to make just one piece, and we're going to start out by determining the position for the large piece, which is this. You can see that at the top it has two large sticks coming out, and at the bottom corners there's two smaller ones. So that's how you're going to know if it's top or bottom. But then make sure not to put the whole piece upside down, like that, by feeling underneath the side bars. If you feel a little bump, that bump faces the keyboard, and on top it's supposed to be smooth. So now you know the position for that. You leave it down in the right position. You get the next piece, which is this, and you can see that at the top there's no sticks here. In the middle there's some sticks, and then at the bottom there's some sticks too. So actually this is the top. So the no sticks part, that has to go down, and we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure not to put the whole piece upside down like that by feeling underneath the top bar here. Actually, if you can fit your nail in on this part here, then that gap faces the keyboard. On top it's supposed to be smooth, just one piece. So now you know the position for both pieces. What you do is you put the small piece over the large piece and stick the bottom part of the small piece underneath the bottom bar of the larger piece. At the same time, you want to insert the stick that's in the middle of the small piece into the hole that's in the middle of the side bars of the large piece. So put one stick in that hole while at the same time putting the bottom bar underneath. Then you want to put the stick that's in the middle of the small piece into the hole that's in the middle of the large piece at the other side too. We've got this side down, so now we're going to do this side. What you want to do is stretch the bar of the large piece away from the small piece in order for that stick to actually go into that hole. Just grab the large piece and stretch it out till it goes in. There you go. Now both pieces are one. What you want to do is the bar pieces, which is this. These are the stick pieces up here. The bar piece goes where the large hook is on the keyboard, and you push it down, and then you get something thin and strong. Like I use a blade. Once this hook grabs onto that bottom bar of the small piece, you want to make sure that the sticks at the top go into the holes that are here on the, in this case they're top corner left and bottom corner left. So yeah, just push those into the holes. Now the piece is actually in there. What you want to do is get your key and push down evenly on all four sides until you feel the clicks, and that's it.